हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं संगति एंड मैं हूं आपकी साइंस टीचर। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग सो ग्रेट इन योर लाइफ। ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द चैप्टर लाइफ प्रोसेसेस and we are going to discuss the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in that, and especially the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in amoeba. So get ready for the session. Okay, take out your notebook, all of you, so that you can note down the important points, and let's start today's session before any delay. All right. So heterotrophic mode of nutrition. होते क्या है heterotrophs? What are the heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are those organisms which are depending on other organisms for their own food. Correct? We know that. So those organisms are called as heterotrophs. So basically ये क्या होते हैं? These are some consumers only, जो कि प्रोड्यूसर्स पे या फिर अदर कंज्यूमर्स पे डिपेंडेंट होते हैं फॉर देयर ओन फूड. Now, there are different types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, holozoic, saprotrophic, parasitic. So let's discuss this one by one. First, let's discuss about the parasitic mode of nutrition. So in this mode of nutrition, the organisms are depending on the living organisms. So basically, they are absorbing the nutritions from other living organisms. ठीक है, मतलब एक ऑर्गेनिज्म दूसरे किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से ही न्यूट्रिशन को एब्सॉर्ब करते हैं, एंड समटाइम्स दे कैन हार्म दैट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आल्सो. ओके, these are the parasitic mode of nutrition. Okay, and these organisms are called as parasites. तो examples है fleas, lice, जैसे बालों में जू होते हैं ना वो lice, ठीक है, tapeworm and cuscuta plant. Okay, these are the parasites. Next up, let's discuss about the saprotrophic mode of nutrition, जिनको इन organisms को हम saprophytes बोलते हैं या saprotrophs बोलते हैं. They are feeding on the dead and decaying matter. Okay, so basically they are digesting the food externally before absorbing them. ओके, सो डिफरेंस क्या है इसमें पैरासिटिज्म और सैप्रोट्रोफिज्म में, कि इसमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं और इसमें डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म पे डिपेंड करते हैं ये. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल मशरूम एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फंगस इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ सैप्रोट्रोफ्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच इज होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. In this type of nutrition, organism is absorbing or eating the complex food material, then breaking it down into simpler form by the process of digestion and then absorbing it into the bodies. Okay. Now, example क्या है? Human है, different animals जैसे cat, dog, cow, ये सब है. ठीक है. Insectivorous plants है. Amoeba is also a parasite, sorry, holozoic mode of nutrition. ठीक है. Amoeba unicellular organism है, but it is following the holozoic mode of nutrition. Now let's discuss in detail about the holozoic mode of nutrition. इसमें आते हैं 5 steps. कौन कौन से? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. These are the 5 steps. Okay. Ingestion का मतलब खाना खाना. Okay. You know, when we are ingesting the food. Digestion का मतलब होता है break down the complex food into the simpler ones. Then absorption means when the organism is absorbing all the nutrients into the body cells. Assimilation means when the organism is utilizing these nutrition for the production of energy and for their own growth and development. Okay, and final step is the egestion, when the organism is ingesting out or excreting out the waste materials from the body. So let's discuss about the amoeba. Okay, nutrition in amoeba. So amoeba, जैसे मैंने कहा, it is a unicellular organism. Correct? You can take a note of this. It is also following the holozoic mode of nutrition. अमीबा के पास होता है एक फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन जिसको बोलते हैं सूडोपोडिया. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज फॉल्स फीट. मीन सूडो मतलब फॉल्स एंड पोडिया मतलब हो जाता है फीट. ओके, इट इज अ फॉल्स फीट. तो बेसिकली व्हेन अमीबा सी अ फूड पार्टिकल, जब उसको एक फूड पार्टिकल दिखाई दिया, सो दिस सूडोपोडिया ट्रैप्स द फूड पार्टिकल. See over here, it is trapping the food particle and making a food vacuole. So this process is called as ingestion. Now, inside the food vacuole, there are some digestive juices which are helping to digest the food particle. So, इसको ये step हो गया digestion. नेक्स्ट इज द एब्जॉर्प्शन नाउ अमीबा इज ओनली यूनिसेलुलर है ना अमीबा तो एक ही सेल है उसके पास तो एक ही सेल में जो न्यूट्रिशन है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है और एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है ठीक है फिर आता है एसिमिलेशन in which it is utilizing the nutrition for its own growth and production of energy. And finally, the last step is the egestion, जिसमें क्या करता है अमीबा कि एक्सोसाइटोसिस के प्रोसेस से एक्सोसाइटोसिस के प्रोसेस से सारा मटेरियल सारा वेस्ट मटेरियल इजेस्ट कर देता है अपने सेल से ओके so now I'm going to show you a very small video for your better understanding.
Ingestion. Ingestion. When a food particle comes near amoeba, it ingests this food particle by using pseudopodia around it. Digestion. The food is digested in the food vacuole by digestive enzymes. Absorption. The digested food present in the food vacuole is directly absorbed into the cytoplasm of amoeba by diffusion. Assimilation. Food absorbed by amoeba is used to obtain energy for maintaining life processes. And egestion. When a sufficient amount of undigested food collects inside the amoeba, then its cell membrane suddenly ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown out of the body of the amoeba.
Okay, so that is about the nutrition in amoeba. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So Holozoic mode of nutrition follows 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. All right. So that is it for today's session, students. I hope you have enjoyed the class. But अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि प्लांट में कैसे न्यूट्रिशन होता है, कैसा मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता है, so you can check out the video right in the bottom. Okay, so click on the video, and if you are enjoying the class, if you are enjoying this, if you are understanding this, then please click on the like button and hit the subscribe button for more such videos. And if you have any doubts, you can post your questions in the comments. Okay, I will try to cater to your doubts. So thank you all of you for joining the class. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.